Good morning, Prep 1 to another video. Today we're gonna talk about parallelism. We're gonna say some important notes, then we're gonna introduce our lesson. The distance between two parallel straight lines is constant. So if AE is parallel to BF, so the shortest distance between two parallel straight lines is a line perpendicular between them, like AB, which equals CD, which equals EF. Note number 2. The perpendicular to one of two coplanar parallel straight lines is perpendicular to the other. So if there is a straight line parallel to AB and AB is parallel to CD, then EC gonna be also perpendicular to DC. So if it is perpendicular to one of two parallel straight line, it will be perpendicular to the other straight line. So as we said, CE is perpendicular to DC. Note number 3. If two straight lines are parallel to a third straight line, then these two straight lines are parallel. So if we have AB parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, therefore the line EF is also parallel to CD and parallel to AB, so the three lines gonna be parallel. The relation between pairs of angles resultant from two parallel straight line and a transversal, which is a line cut them. If AB is parallel to CD and the line EF is called a transversal, in which this line cut the two parallel straight line AB and CD. We're gonna have three pairs of angles, and the first type is the alternate angles. Two straight lines intersect two parallel alternate angles. If a straight line intersects two parallel straight lines, then each of two alternate angles are equal. And the alternate angles is like Z letter. So we have a Z letter here. So measure angle 4 gonna be equal measure angle 6. So measure 4 equal measure angle 6. So when we talk about alternate angle, we search for a Z letter. So measure 4 equals 6. There is another Z letter in the other side. This is another Z letter. So measure angle 3 equal measure angle 5. This is Z letter. The other type of angles are corresponding angles. If a straight line intersects two parallel straight lines, then each of two corresponding angles are equal in measure. And this corresponding angles is like F letter, like this. So the angle which is up, measure angle number 1, is like the angle which is up here, measure angle number 5. The angle which is down, number 4, equal the angle which is down, number 8. And the F letter in the other side, so measure angle 2, which is up, is like measure angle 6, and measure angle 3 is like measure angle 7. And these are called corresponding angles. They are like F letter. And as we said, corresponding alternate angles are like Z letter. The third type of angles is the interior angles. If a straight line intersects two parallel straight lines, then each two interior angles in the same side of a transversal are supplementary. And this interior angles is like a U-shaped letter. So as we see in the graph, the U-shaped letter. So measure angle 4 and measure angle 5, their sum is 180. The other U-shaped letter, measure angle 3 plus measure angle 6 will equal 180 degrees. Let's summarize what we said. If a straight line intersects two parallel straight lines, then each two alternate angles are equal in measure, each two corresponding angles are equal in measure, and each two interior angles in the same side of a transversal are supplementary, which means their sum is 180. Let's solve some examples. We need to find measure angle C. So we're gonna find first the supplementary angle of 130. So we're gonna make 180 minus 130, which is equal 50. Then we have a Z letter because these two lines are parallel. So measure angle C gonna be equal to 50 degrees. Question number 2. We have an angle with 130 and a right angle. So we're gonna find the interior angle A, and from it we're gonna find the interior angle C. The sum of accumulative angles around a point is 360, so we're gonna make 360 minus 90 and 130, and it's gonna be equal 140. So this angle A equal 140, and because we have a U letter, which we called previously an interior angle, so measure angle C gonna be equal 180 minus the interior angle 140, so angle C gonna be equal 40. Question number 3. We need to find measure angle ACE. So we're gonna have A and move to C, then down to E, this angle that we need. First, we have an angle of 60 and it is a U-shaped with this angle. So this angle is 180 minus 60, it's 120. Another U-shape, we have 35 interior with this angle. So we're gonna make 180 minus 35. So it will be equal 145. And to find the angle that we need, we're gonna make 360 because they are accumulative, minus 120 and 145. So it's gonna be equal 95. Exercise number 4. We have an angle of 120 and this angle is 85. We need angle ACD, which is A moving to C, then up to D, this angle. So first we're gonna find the interior angle with 120, with 180 minus 120 equals 60. Then we have a Z letter, so all of this angle is 85. And we have a part of it equals 60, so the remaining part will be 85 minus 60, which equals 25. Next question, we need to find the value of x. We have this angle equal to x, and it is corresponding like F letter, but it's a flipped F letter. We have this angle is 2x and this angle is 80. They will be equal, so we have 2x equal 80, and from it we divide by 2, so the angle x equal 40. The last question, measure angle B, and this measure angle B have a star like measure angle A, so they are equal. So we're gonna make a U-shaped letter, and to find angle B, which equal angle A, we're gonna make 180 minus 128, and this will be equal 52. I hope you enjoy our video. Try to practice and see you in another video. Thank you.